Hey everybody, and welcome back to part 2 of my using all my ColourPop Mega Palettes series. So I got the first one, I got the first 3 palettes done last time, and then my face and my energy was like, "Kapow!" So I stopped, and then I was like, I'll pick up back tomorrow and then just complete the. No, never did that. So I decided to upload them in 2 separate parts. So when I'm filming this, I just uploaded part 1. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get this whole thing done, edited, etc., so that you can see it tomorrow. But so that is what we're going to do today. I have 4 more palettes to do. I got exhausted at 3 last time, but because I have 4, I'm determined. I'm ready. I got my hair done. I actually look like a human being today, and I'm feeling really good. It snowed last night, and I don't like winter, but I love snow, so I'm feeling the energy from the snow. And also, I have my hand back. It's not perfect. It's nowhere near perfect. I still only have that much mobility, and I can only turn it so much, but I have it back. No brace. It is, according to the doctor, fully healed, and now it's just, going to PT and all that stuff. But because of that, I'm feeling good. I go back to work next week, boo hiss, but also money, yay. So overall, I'm feeling good, and I'm ready to get this video for you guys, and I hope you guys are ready to see it. So the palettes that we will be using today, we have Fade Into Hue, Stone Cold Fox, You're Golden, and It's a Mood. So those are the 4 we're going to be doing today. And yeah, I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. And let's just go ahead and get into the first look. Alrighty, so this is the look that I came up with for the Fade Into Hue palette. I really like it. I decided to go for more of a halo eye today, so I used purple and green, which are the 2 colors that tend to bring out the green in my eyes, which I really enjoy doing. And I'm wearing the Glamnetic lashes. Where did the thingy go? The Glamnetic lashes in Verified. So I really like Glamnetic. I'm pretty sure I've talked about them on my channel before. Love Glamnetic. So again, you guys saw the majority of the eyeshadow production, and then I just finished everything up off camera. But yeah, I'm really happy with this look, and I hope you guys are too. Now we're gonna go again, kind of go more neutral, and we are gonna go into the Stone Cold Fox palette. So this is gonna be a much cooler, smokier eye look, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. Alrighty, everybody, so this is look number, in theory, it's look number 5. Look number 5. But of this video is look number 2. Again, this is using the Stone Cold Fox palette. When it comes to the Bare Necessities and Stone Cold Fox, I tend to do just very simple looks using 3 to 4 colors. This one I tried to keep all matte other than the inner corner. That shade Magnetic Moon, which is like that super shimmery silver. I love using that on my inner corner. I just think it is so pretty. But other than that, I kept this in all matte eye for you guys. If you were wondering what the like black residue was on my lash line, that is the Glamnetic eyeliner. It is very hard to get off unless you use an oil-based like makeup remover. And even then, it's still sometimes a challenge to get off. And since I'm filming 4 makeup looks in a row, I just did not get all of the residue off, unfortunately. But it should be gone by the next look when I take all of this off. But that is look number, what did I say it was? 5? Look number 5 or look number 2 of this video. So the next palette, the second to last, is the You're So Golden palette. So this one I really have not played around with this color since, or like this palette, since I did my review of it. It's very warm. I have no idea what I'm going to do, but we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and I'll just see what happens. Alrighty everybody, so this is look number 3 of this video, or 6 out of 7. So again, this was using the You're So Golden palette. Once again, this is a pretty neutral palette with just a few pops of color, and I feel like when I did use this palette, like right when I first got it, I would always kind of play with that, like, I would either stick with the browns, or I would use that, like, dark blue, and those were, like, the only ones that I did. I never really tapped into that, like, peachy coral shade that was in there, or like that darker red, like that terracotta almost color that was in the corner that I used. So I tried to use a few more of the colors today that I don't think I had used in the past. So again, I kind of used that like light blue to add a pop of color in here, but kind of kept to the redder, warmer tones that are in this palette that I haven't played with before. So again, I'm really happy with how this look turned out, and I used the Taurus lip gloss from Potassium Cosmetics. If you guys are wondering what is on my lips, again, I've just kind of really been into like one and done lip colors right now, so that is what I used for this one. And we only have one more, which is crazy, so I'm going to go clean a few more of my brushes and then get started on that look. But that is using the most recent ColourPop palette added to my collection, the It's a Mood palette. I think I did a review on this. I think. Truthfully, don't remember. But this came out around the fall time, and it's just super pretty. Like, I think I'm going to go in with blue and purple. Kind of, I love that blue row. I think it is so pretty. So that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. But that is the last one that we're going to do, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on that look for you. Alright everybody, so this is look number 7. As you saw, I kept it really simple. I used 3 colors from this palette. Now, of course, when I started this whole thing, I was like, I'm going to use a bunch of colors from every palette. I'm going to use ones I haven't used before and all that type of stuff. And then the farther I got into it, I was like, you know, I kind of just want to keep these simple, especially like today when I'm filming 4 of them in one day. I was like, we're gonna go simple. But that also just tells you that like there's a bunch of different that you could do a variation on this look using different colors from this palette. So instead of like a blue and a green, you could do something like the red and an orange, or green and red, or blue and purple. And so you can do so many different things with these palettes now. That is, since that is all of my mega palettes, that is the end of this. But of course, if I get the other mega palettes that I'm missing, you know, in the future, I will put those 3 of them probably in their own part 3, or I'll just start the series over again or something. But that is, you know, this is the end of the series. And again, I know some of these looks were really simple, and some of them are the same look, different palettes and whatever. I don't pretend to be fantastic and know 50 different techniques at eyeshadow and liner and everything like that. A, I'm still mostly working with one hand, and B, that's just not my style. I prefer more wearable things, so that's just me. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Bye everybody.